Ma'am, my first question will be why you're representing Technia here in the conference?
Actually, Technia Institute of Advanced Studies, as you know, it is affiliated through GGSIPU and it is also approved by AICTE. We are representing our training and placement cell over here. Our Technia Institute is providing the different courses like management courses, ICT courses, and mass communication courses. We are having lots of students in our college, and we want to connect those students with the corporates. We are here to represent our training and placement cell, as in which cell that we are providing the training to the students so that they can become the competent enough for creating their future in the corporate sector. As well as we are also here to search out the different opportunities provided by the different industries. They are searching for the interns and they are also searching for the employees. So we are here to just create a bridge between the students and the corporate candidates.
And what is your experience of the conference?
This is very nice, and as we know that this is the conference related with the rice industries. We are here to connect our student with the different mills and the rice industries so that they can grow their business, or they can get the motivation through these entrepreneurs or the delegates, through which they can brighten their futures.
And how is this conference different from the other conference you have attended?
This conference is basically promoting our agriculture industry, and as we know that everybody wants to be entrepreneur or wants to be the part of any corporate industry as an employee. Now we should think about the farmers also, so that the people, those who are educated, put their investment, put their knowledge in this industry, so that our India country can develop, because our main concern related with the development part is agriculture. So we can promote our agriculture sector in front of the other countries, and we will get the business for our
And
India.
how much rating you will give to the conference?
We are providing the students as well as our talents as in students
Rating
for
to the
the-
conference.
the rating, if I'm talking about 10, then the 9 will provided by my side, because we are promoting our agriculture sector in front of the other
Thank you.
countries.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.